It's bedtime. Me and Darwin have bedtime, and I'm going to tell him a bedtime story. Let's see. See? He curious. He want to see what I'm going to tell. So I will read the book I buy for him before he was born. So let's see. See his eye? Curious. And he sleep with me like this every night. Okay. A tailless fox. He fought again. One day, a fox fell into a hunter trap and got its tail stuck. During the struggle to get free, the fox lost his tail in the trap. The fox was worried about its stuff and thought to itself, I will make my friends think that living without a tail is the best thing ever. The tailless fox started talking with its friend about how fantastic it was to live without a tail. The fox climbed. Since I have no tail, I'm unique, and I run much faster without the tail weighing me down. All of the fox friends believed that it delightful word, until an old fox who nearby spoke up. Our beautiful tails are valuable, and we should be proud of them. I don't see what is so good about being a tailless fox. Don't try to fool us. See?